Divide 816 by 6 in long division method. 6 times 1 is 6. On subtracting we get 2. So now this 2 is less than 6. So we put down this 1 and it is 21. 6 times 3 is 18. On subtracting we get 3. So now this 3 is again less than 6. So we put down this 6 and it is 36. 6 times 6 is 36. On subtracting we get 0. So 816 divided by 6 is 136. So this much for today and thanks for watching.